What's up, guys? My name is FNAF Plush Toy Gaming. Today we're going to show you some storm. This big storm that just came out of nowhere, and there's going to be some thunder and lightning. Maybe just zoom in the camera. Okay, I can't zoom in right now because this camera is being wet. Ugh. And a little bit thirsty from that fire that happened. Whoa! What's up, guys? My name is sorry guys, I forgot that I did an intro already, but I forgot that. So we're gonna be recording some rain. Okay. And also, I heard some sirens earlier. I don't know what that was from. It came out of nowhere. So we got some rain and some rain. And I don't know what that was. Okay. Okay, we need some lights. Hang on, guys. I'll be right back. And you don't see the blue in the background. I don't know why that's showing up. It's because it's getting nighttime, I guess. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, we're back. Okay, we're gonna show you some rain. And there's rain on my trampoline that I bought. I think I bought that. Okay, here's my old bat. My mom said this was from 1983. I'm just kidding, guys. It was created in 2020. Okay, guys, I'm sorry I had to throw that bat. There was a bug on it. A spider. Okay, guys, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.